Hello there. Thank you for choosing our Designer Suite plugin. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up and acknowledge both the design page and template page within the plugin settings. It is very important to assign a page to each of these functionalities of the plugin because all of the customizations on your products will actually be affected on the design page, while the template page also does the same thing for your templates. So we'll dive straight into that by creating a new page over here. But to save time, I already have the pages created. So I'm just gonna acknowledge them here. As you can see clearly, there's a design page here. It's created as a regular page, as there is a template page over here. So what you want to do is go directly to the plugin settings over here and then acknowledge these pages respectively. Alright, here we are. So you can see by default is on the sample page, but it may be blank on your end. All you have to do is come to the design page and acknowledge the design page for this slot here, and then acknowledge the template page over here too. After that, you want to come down and hit save over here. All done. Now it's very crucial to know that the design page shouldn't be accessed directly, as the page needs to reference the product in order to know what exactly to display. So in another tutorial, we'll cover how to link a product to your configurations. Thank you very much for choosing us.